Hi everyone, welcome back to Key2 Blogging, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover your abandoned cart in WooCommerce. So if you are running a WooCommerce store, then you should enable this option. So whenever someone land on your WooCommerce store and add a product to their cart and go to checkout page but they didn't make the purchase, then you can send reminder emails to those users and recover those abandoned carts users and improve your revenue. So let's check how you can set this off in your WooCommerce store. So for this, let me go to the dashboard, and here we are going to use the FunnelKit automation plugin for that. So as you can see, I have already installed the FunnelKit plugin, and here you need to click on automation, and here you need to activate the FunnelKit automation plugin. So I will include the plugin link in the description. Just install this plugin on your WooCommerce store, and after that you will see a new option. So let me refresh this page, and here you will see an option FunnelKit automation. Just click on that, and here is the dashboard of FunnelKit automation. So here you can see the contacts, email sends, total orders, and total revenue recovered. So to set this automation, first let's click on settings, and let's click on email, and here you can add your WooCommerce store name. You can add your email address where you want to send those emails to your customer, and then you have a unsubscribe link, footer link like this. Now let's click on cart, and we need to enable this option. So it will capture emails whenever they have added to your WooCommerce store. So if someone land on your website and entered their email address, then this will capture those email address. So here we can keep this default setting as it is and hit save. Let's go to automation, and here I will click on create automation. Now click on abandoned cart reminder. Now let's click on import recipe, and let's set a name abandoned cart reminder. Click on create, and the automation is added. So let's click on here. So you can set like whether you want to run this as once or multiple times. So I recommend you should enable this multiple time option so that it will send multiple emails to your customer. So first, if they added their email address and didn't make the purchase, then it will wait for 30 minutes and then send fast email. So you can change that time to 1 hour, 1 day, or 1 week. So let's keep it like 30 minutes. Now you can edit the emails. So this is the emails that sent to the customer. So you can see the contact email is added, and you can set the subject line for that email, and here you can edit the actual email here. So let's click on preview and test, and this is the email that will automatically send to your customer. Hi there, we noticed that you are trying to make a purchase from our store but could not complete the process. Your cart is still saved and you can buy those items, and it will display all these items, and then they can click on and purchase that order. You can also use visual editor to edit the email template. So for this, you need to click on visual builder. Now let's click on edit. Now it will launch a visual editor like this. So you have a lot of pre-made templates for email. So you can click on any of the template here. So you can import the template and design the emails properly, or you can create a email from blank. Just click on start from blank. Now you can add different sections to your email. So you can add your site logo here like this. You can upload an image. Next you can add text here. So you can click on any of the column and you can add single column, and then you can add your text like you have left your product in your cart, and if you want to make the purchase, then you can add a cart link here. Just drag it here. Now it will continue to the checkout page, so the link will be automatically added in this button. So you can visually edit your emails if you want. You can add conditions here as well. Just click on display condition, add new condition, and here you can select automation, and let's click on have enter any automation, and here in value you can select your automation and hit save. Now the button will show if the automation trigger. So in this way, you can easily customize your emails. You have site logo, text list, buttons, social media icons, and you have your products. You can display a coupon. You can just drag your product here, and here you can select any of the product if you want. So this is like an upsell product, and hit save. Or you can use the rich text editor. So you can see this is the plain email, and you can preview it by clicking on here. If they didn't make the purchase even after sending this email, then you will wait for 12 hours, and then it will send another email like this. You added some items to your cart yesterday but could not complete the process. If you have any questions or need help, so this is how this second email goes to the customer, and then we will wait for 24 hours and send another email. So in this way, you can add more emails to this automation, and once all 3 emails send, it will end the automation. Let's activate it. Now let's check how this works. So let me open the website in a new window, and let me go to this shop page, and let me add some product to my cart like this. Now let me proceed to checkout. Now I will click on login, and I can enter my email address and password, or I can enter a new email address here. Now once the customer entered their email address, first name, last name, then it will auto capture all these details, and I don't make the payment on this checkout page, and I just close this page. Now it will automatically trigger that automation in our dashboard. So let me go to the dashboard here, and let's click on cards, and as you can see, this is this automation that is trigger. You can see the email address here and created time, and it's in pending status. Let me click on here. The device they are using, the IP address, billing address, shipping address, and all these details, and it will display all these products that is being added to their cart. Now after 30 minutes, it will send automatic emails to that customer that you left this product in your cart, and if you want to make the payment, just click on the link and complete the order. If they didn't make the purchase, then it will send an again automated email after 12 hours and after 24 hours. So in this way, you can recover your abandoned cart in your WooCommerce store. So you can see the list of contacts, and you can capture all these emails and send automated emails to that customer. You can see the analytics as well. See total recoverable cards and the potential revenue that you missed, and if someone make the payment and purchase the item, then it will record in this recovered revenue section. And here you can check the recovery rate, lost cart. So you can see a detailed analytics of this, and you can see all these contacts here. You can see the email address, engagement rates. So you have all these analytics option. I hope you have learned how to use the FunnelKit automation plugin to recover abandoned cart in your WooCommerce store and improve your revenue. So if you still have doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section, and I will include the plugin link in the description. So just download the plugin and use it on your WooCommerce store. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.